Welcome to Seamfix iAM, where security meets innovation. Workforce access control has never been easier. With Seamfix iAM, you can ensure seamless and secure access for your team. Seamfix iAM lets you manage users and applications with smart biometric technology and user-friendly controls that keep your organization safe. Put the right access in the right hands. Manage users, groups, roles, and apps from a single dashboard. Seamfix iAM makes it all possible. Protect your apps with seamless multi-factor authentication, including real-time biometric checks. Take charge of who sees what. Simplify permissions and secure sensitive data with role-based access control. Enjoy one-click access to all your essential apps with single sign-on. You can generate custom reports for audit and compliance processes, making it, super easy to stay on top of your data requests. Seamless identity security and workforce access management, now in your hands with Seamfix iAM. Now you can onboard new hires quickly and revoke access for departing users. Provide precise access levels tailored to specific roles, ensuring compliance and security. Meet industry standards and prevent insider fraud. Integrate seamlessly with your current systems. Seamless identity security and workforce access management, now in your hands with Seamfix iAM.